Hi everyone. Now I'm going to show you a demo on how to write a Kafka client using Spring Boot. Kafka consumer is using Spring Boot, and how to write a Kafka producer using Spring Boot. Okay. So first we'll create a project. Let me create a new Spring Boot starter project. Okay, so name will be Spring Boot Kafka client. Okay, let me go to the next step. Spring Web is by default, which we need to add here, and we need to add Spring for Apache Kafka. Okay, these two dependencies we need to add: Spring Web and Spring for Apache Kafka. So we'll go next and then we'll finish it. Okay, so our project is getting ready here. You can see it's loading, it's importing, so wait for a few seconds. In our previous video already we have started Zookeeper server, Kafka server. Okay, and we have created a topic with name topic 1. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do is we will send a message to the topic and we'll consume the message from that topic using Spring Boot. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Let this project get ready. Let me click on refresh. Okay, so this package by default we have this application.run in the main method. We'll go and create a new controller class. Just give some sample name, my controller. Okay, and we'll finish it. We'll use annotation REST controller. And then we'll create a simple method, public void send, public void send. Right, request mapping produce. So for producing we need to use public, we'll use Kafka template. Okay, so we are going to use a Kafka template. This Kafka template is coming from this framework, okay, the ORG Spring framework, Kafka code, Kafka template. Okay, so we are auto-adding it. The Spring container will inject the template object. Fine. We need to write here template.send, and template.send we need to pass the message that we want to send. Send this message to topic 1. Okay, okay, and then you need to pass the topic name here, topic 1 to my topic, something you can write. Hello. Okay, so now this is for sending the message. If you want to send the message, you can send it like that. And let's say that you want to consume the message. Okay, so you can do like that, consume. Okay, you can like this, and you can string message at Kafka listener. Okay, so here you need to pass topic name, I think. Okay, okay, so this is the method to consume message from Kafka topic 1. To send message to Kafka topic 1. Okay, so here you can see that we have a producer message method which is sending the message to topic 1. Okay, and the message is this. Fine. And also we have a listener which is listening the message so this is the listener which is listening the message from topic 1. Okay, so for listening a message in Spring Boot you just need to add a simple code like this, and for sending a message you just need to add a simple code like that. Okay, so here you can see we have given the topic name topic 1 and template.send, so it will send the message, and it will receive the message from topic 1. But the question is how it will know which server which bootstrap server the code has to connect, on which port it's running, on which IP address it's running. Okay, so I mean how to send the configuration details. So for sending the configuration details, what we need to do is we need to add the properties in the property file. Okay, so we'll go to resource, we'll go to this, we'll rename this file at YAML file. Okay, and we will paste these properties. Okay, so you can see this Spring Boot application will run on this port default, and it will connect to this Kafka server. Group ID is mandatory. You can give any name like group 2 or group 3 something. It will read from the beginning, so we have passed as earliest. Okay, and the deserializer, we need to pass the deserializers. Okay, so bootstrap server again we have given for producer, and serializers also we have given. Okay, so I think one more thing that we need to add is, let me add here, is value serializer. And the value should remain same. Okay, so we'll copy this, we'll add it here. Okay, so these are the properties we are passing for producer, these are the properties we are passing to consumers. So using these properties, now the Spring application, this microservice will be able to connect to Kafka, and Kafka is already running in my local on this port 9092. So it will be able to connect to Kafka, and it will be able to send and receive messages. Okay, so let me run this quickly. Okay, so you can see that the consumer already started reading the value, because it's reading it from the earliest, and already a Kafka server is running in my local, so that's why it's reading it from the beginning. Okay, so what I will do is quickly I will send a message. Okay, so I just what I did is I hit this message. This is a get method, so I hit it on the browser. So using this line, a new message will be sent to my Kafka topic, and you can see here, using this line, my code is able to consume the message. You can see here. Okay, so I'm sending a message from here, and in the console it's printing the message which my application is consuming. Okay, so you can see how it is consuming. Thank you very much. You can get the source code. If you need, put that in the comment.